guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Nico and I'm stoked to have you here. Today I am so excited. So I'm going to be taking you guys through redoing the balcony. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a complete makeover. It was bothering me for so long. I cannot even begin to explain to you. It was just like this furniture that was there when we moved in. We didn't have any outdoor furniture at the time, so we were just kind of grateful to have it. The barbecue, like everything, none of it was ours, and we were just like, all right, sure, you know. And then we figured, well, we have furniture, why would we invest in it? And the more and more time that we spent on the balcony, especially because of COVID, there was so much time spent on it, the more we kind of realized it would be really nice to have this be a kind of cozier setting. And I'm just gonna throw up a few photos here for you guys to see what it looked like before. It was this massive table that took up so much space. There were 4 chairs that were huge. It was just like, it was furniture that was intended for like maybe a backyard with like a big umbrella, that kind of thing. And it was not meant for a, I would say, smaller mid-sized balcony. Also, the shape of our balcony is pretty weird. It's kind of a backwards L. So it's about 8 by 8 square with then one sort of long, I don't know, added hallway kind of part to it. Not a hallway, but a thinner sort of part to it. I would say it bothered me more than anything. Definitely when I get something in my head, I'm like, oh my God, that would be so good. I have to do it and I have to do it now. However, we did spend a lot of time looking for something on like a buy and sell, a marketplace, whatever. We didn't want to buy brand new furniture, and that was a big issue. So there was about 2 or 3 scenarios where we had found furniture that we really wanted, and then it just didn't work out, and we were getting so frustrated and just like, oh my God, okay, well, I want to be able to do this and I want to enjoy the rest of the summer. When it comes to the chairs and stuff, you know, we did buy them brand new. I guess I don't really regret it because I really like them. The other aspect of this is that our balcony, the outside of it, like the floor that's on it, not really great. And then the walls and everything are the exact same as the entire outside of the building. And it's this kind of like off yellow concrete stucco sort of thing. You cannot drill into it. And like, I wouldn't want to anyway, because it would probably damage the integrity of the building. So everything that we did, we knew that it could not be permanent. We could not put permanent holes or anything like that into it. Even though it would have been really cool to like get some hangers up or something along the lines of that, we just didn't want to mess with it. This is a rental. We're not going to do that. So if you guys are renting a unit or something along the lines of that and you want to do something temporary so you can just pack it up and leave and you don't have to worry about fixing anything afterwards, then this is the video for you for sure. And I would say the majority of things I had besides the main pieces of furniture are either stuff I've already had in my house that I was able to move around and kind of recycle. So let's just say that for this video, anything that is recycled is stuff that I either DIY'd myself or was already living somewhere in my house, and we just moved it around. And you know, I didn't take things from the house where suddenly there's this big spot missing or something like that. This was just kind of extra stuff we had around, and everything that I had was either like from HomeSense, like a buy and sell or whatever that way. I did not spend massive amounts of money on anything, and overall we did a complete, I would say, oh my gosh, I would say a complete 180 for, let's say, about $300, and that's with brand new furniture. So I was really, really excited about that. I would say that that's more on the affordable side, considering that if you wanted to buy a new couch or whatever, outdoor couch, outdoor furniture that way, you can be getting upwards of like $1,000 plus whatever dollars, depending on what your situation is. So for me to have, you know, a new bench, new chairs, a little table, like this really cozy kind of vibe, for about $300, let's say give or take. I kind of added in some prices here from things I had before, how much I relatively spent on them. Everything else that wasn't brand new furniture, I've pretty much had for a few years. The main lounging part is really what I wanted to focus on. That little extra long but thin piece of the balcony, I'm gonna kind of wait on a little bit just because I do have that big dresser that I'm working on for another project. If you guys want to see how I completely 180'd my balcony into this amazing, beautiful lounge area where it didn't cost me a fortune, it was really affordable. You could make it even more affordable if you were able to find some more secondhand items, or if you were able to kind of recycle items you already have in your house. I love it. And again, for not owning a place and as a rental, doing these non-permanent kind of things, it worked out beautifully and I am so stoked and I can't wait to spend all of my time out there. So let's get into it.